Aya murareri wa Muthingi TV ni weekend enge ithwe nawe turaikoro tugitungana makiria guku ariko Muthingi TV karibuni sana Ngatha Ciitu kana hiha ni hara twiko makiria tukiaririria uhoro wigi everything and nothing na makiria maundu maya maraikoro magitukonie ithwe twita society ithwe twitari airetu ithwe twita beo njithi ala makiria ginya tugakorwo tukihutiriria generation ciothe gwakane millennial gwakane Gen Z ni ngai kunyita ogeni agetika akaretu kamathako that sport girl mundu gwitwa wa boy wajao
karibu sana na niĩ ngetwo Bill hanya gũthiĩ uriganagirwo kumera ma subscribe you know watch
nigutigagira
like
at least nigutigagira nigetha you know
ine thiĩ na mbere na gũtũrũmĩrĩra nenda-inĩ citũ ciothe cia ũkinyanĩria at Muthingi TV, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, kila mahali yani. Icio ciothe wĩnacio twĩnacio na ithuĩ.
Kuna follow us like Twitter, follow us like Jesus.
Exactly.
There, how
no. But anyway, umuthi tugukorwo tukiarĩrĩria ũhoro rĩu ngũciĩta nĩ ndũgũ cia kĩma
irĩkũ
icio ndũgũ ici cia you are mine
but you are not
mine. Yes,
nĩ ndũgũ cia rĩrĩ citagwo atĩa na gĩthũngũ?
Situationships, friends with benefits.
Imurata muragĩteithania especially ta mweri wa July
nĩ heho ria kĩingĩhire narĩ
nao nĩ nyingĩ afu arora karora duve ndĩraruta wĩra you know akauga atĩrĩrĩ
na ndũrara na njiko nĩ ũgũkua
ukauga ũrĩa ũngĩkunĩka duve no ũngĩkunĩka mũndũ
hau mũno
relationship nĩkĩ ciaka.
So we'll be talking about situationships na rĩrĩ. Have you ever been in a situationship ya gũtwarire atĩa nĩ ũndũ ũngĩenda gwĩka rĩngĩ? Is it something, is it a go to something for you?
Okay, personally I'm one person believer in rĩrĩ. I don't believe in those kiria. May believe if you want me, it's exactly what you've decided. Tino sneaky links ati move gatianga tutiria ndwe ni urenda tukorwo nawe no ndwenda tumenyeke tukoragwo nawe and then you don't want to commit. Did they kora in kiria?
Ndũrĩ wekora in such a situation?
No. For you?
Do guga atia? I think I have once.
Okay. Is it something you want me to do?
It depends. Like good, it depends because you see when you don't want a relationship, hado kinya goka igwatirere ndurenda mundu niguo. Yes, you want to be alone. He mundu okira mundu ni akoragwo na face iyo. You don't want anyone, no one wants you. You are not dating. Yes, you want exactly. So I think it's okay when we face in like you feel you want someone, but then at the same time you don't want to commit. Urenda gukorwo gikabobo-ini kauka gwikenia reke njuge ni gwikenia urageri gwikenia we wiki.
The moment you're in a situationship na mundu ri na probably mundu ni aradate mundu ngi, do you feel bad about it?
I've never been in a situationship where the other person is dating someone else.
I have a friend and I feel bad using it but I have to use it. Ndio ni yake rore ajira we digana kuhe we ndato cia kwa ringi
ndakumenya niwe ukiri na people you know.
Yeah, people I know. I have so many people I know. In a situationship na mundu hikanetie and yes they have even give ni magite ginya mwana na mundu uyo but no the worst thing comes that mwiretu the wife to the guy knows the girl but she doesn't know. Okay, ndakoragwo sure kana mwiretu nioi kana nioi like ngufuricire wega nigetha
ndige gukorora uguo.
Haya mwanake ri tumwiteo Kimani re ni ahikitie ni Wambui. All right?
Yes.
Kimani re ni ara cheat nawe tondu ku ni go cheat anyway.
Yes.
Ni ara cheat nawe Kimani ni Wambui re ni ngũĩ, we are friends but I don't know ni Wambui ndi kana we ni mukoragwo nao na Kimani but rĩu re we warora mbica cia mwana wakwa ri na warora mbica cia mwana waku ri twins mahatha but rĩu re either the girl knows, either the wife knows that oh ni side chick no agakirira akauga because she's peaceful, because it's modo mwana ikorwo ina na ngucanio probably she made peace. Exactly, probably she made peace na riri na maikare hamwe as long as and this is the worst thing that you can never see as a woman, as long as he comes home, because as long as he comes home mundu yagukuinukiria urwaru mundu yagukuinukiria depression mundu yagukuinukiria stress but rĩu ule ona nĩguo ndoragia mũirĩtu ũcio atĩrĩrĩ, do you ever feel bad mwanake ũyũ agĩthiĩ kwĩ ainũka gwake? You know the answer? The girl said no. Because as for me I'm okay with what I'm getting. I'm okay with what I'm being given.
So she's okay with the arrangement. And
it's so sad that because ni mundu munini muno. She's a very young girl doing that. Very young. Did I me don't know if the setup is okay.
Now the girl, now the side chick. Niyo mutumia niyo makoragwo na
uri side chick ri ni utakoragwo ndari sure kana mutumia niyo ni gwetwetuaga. But girora horo wigie kiri arrangement yeyo ri, I feel like the girl knows. Just that I'm
pretend.
Yeah. And then you see ni mundu uri unaona ni ararigwa ati ni oragirigwo na ndauma guthie kuna ciana. Of course that could be but no in the girls talk rate ndigima gwakwa ndachitoke ni ogaru gathi kana
if there is one thing nyonaga tatu holdaga nayo back as women ni rudo maguthie ku
exactly
ati ru ndina ciana ati ru mari gwikate ciana na guku niko Nikki, why not?
But what is your take, especially with the generation that we are niturakumia mono friends with benefits?
I think kwanza muno Gen Z.
Yeah.
I think one thing I'm not going to justify yugi ati ni horo mwega muno, but I think nginya uri atwarerirwo ri ni urona aciari aku ni mahikanitie, but they are just there mamurere gutire wendo uri hau thiini wao, yani they don't love each other. They're just there wao no riu ri to ni twagiciarire na twina ciana ri ni tucirere. So I think ni mona ata we don't notice these things but we do. Mona ata turi o hau tukirerwo tukure tumeherere
na nikio twiragwo ati nyona mundu kuna post nimeona kadhaa mundu akiuga atiriri aciari kindu mariganagirwo ni ati children grow and nemoka kumenya who was a toxic parent.
Exactly.
And the moment they come to know who was a toxic parent, ni mageragia ku pull away from them. Because in as much as you want to kumonia how you've been a good, how you've been a good husband or something, but they already know.
My mom once told me atiriri ati athurire mweri makirirwo ni ciana ciao ri mugaga ati ni nyina uramerire makire, but it's not the truth. The truth ni atiriri ni ndita mwana ri I have observed, I have seen how you are behaving. Gwao ukirira niki if whatever you are doing is not pleasing me ama it's not cool na de modo mugima ri I will walk away and keep quiet. Yes,
but again I feel or humanity, every human deserves a second chance. With this, diatatira in the toxic parent or something. But I would want us to get to a point that where is he coming from? Because one, no akorwo mamu anyu no wale murufio ena goko thairie kendeo ya tena nako thairie wale murufio niwe wale kindu kirufio no ndada kuhe baba wanyu thayo but oka kuri nywere arageri kumura atirire fanyo na hani onaraikire and then probably baba wanyu react because dale no dogiageka but no goko but when you sit them down ukamuria atirire ni mthairi ni kwenda kumenya atirire tondu we no watuhuraga turia nini that was not your daily discipline, that was punishment. Why were you doing that? Ukage akakwira ona guka witwekaga guka nyokira kuna
gererero iyo ni na guka wituri ako arakuhura
ati ithuona tutiakurire oguo ithe twakurire na aciari orufio.
I think another thing ni atirere aciari meciragia atirere tondu ni mareirwo in a certain way makihuragwo makiragwo you know whatever you are doing is not right makariganirwo hindio yari hindio in a new generation new things technology.
Those are guardian kedemete guardian tondu akoragwo mundu wa gutara makiria ciana. There's a guardian who told me the moment you bring a child they know ukoragwo kimurehe in a very in her own world. Ukoragwo ati ukirora ati kwina Gen Z, Gen Z mekuo. Ukoragwo ukirora ati kwina Generation Alpha mekuo, but the moment warehe mwana they know ukaga the yake because whatever money is working for you is not what will work for me.
Yeah, true.
The more ukirora horo ige development thing ukirora tuge wagia mwana to muthe of course kwina atumia ta 10 makogia ciana muthe ni mwagianira ciana ukirora development ya ciana it's very different. Kwina ciari kwina mwana akuciarwo muthe ndakurira akarira ta rucio kwe mwana guciarwo muthe akuhingura maitho utuku kwe mwana guciarwo muthe agwikia toko muthe na kwina urio kamu after 1 week. The development is quite different. Such is the world. Nikoraga the word all of the mother mire na primary tha ici ri there's someone that shona dai bururi uyu kwe mundu wakuire true kwe mundu tha ici uraikara maisha mega pio
muno
na kwe mundu wahikire gicagi ndewa kwika gicagi ni uru kwe mundu tha ici mungirigithanio nake aigwo haha no aigwo haha muti niro mwatho ma hamwe ni uyu mwatho ma nake kweli because development ya do ikoragwo different and that's why that omodo ena onawe thaici you know we world ni yaku in as much as neto waire in as much as you still have your own world area
exactly
ugeragia gwikati utindekireria friends makomekiria makoragwo me bonus ya gutindekireria tu uthio kiambatagira thini yaku
and same with thoughts ugo nigwa ciari mariganagira wati riu to ni wahura ri we ureciria ni weka wega no nie hakwa hakiri-ini ciakwa ri uhiteirie muno because first of all wahura na donajira wahurira kitworania ki but anyway we were getting back na what is making Gen Zs makumie muno friends with benefits dakwira I think ni parenting uria wa as in let me not call it parenting observation of how you are brought up you know na mamua there's no love between your parents they don't want each other but they still have to be in that family niguo makulele so karora kona atiriri most Gen Zs maraopt I don't want to get married let me get a friend with benefits itusukumane twala ni oguo maisha mathie na mbere
again I feel we have made relationships very hard to get in because for example you're getting orakora the couples that we like seeing ekukoja at the same couples that when they break up they are coming
so messy
very messy the breakups are very timaudogeda kwirireria second we are dating a generation where they want everything and everyone orakora atirire you have someone wena mundu ugane waku
don't know why it's funny
mudoru ugane waku but kube nake na mundu wake
we ora no kunyitirira mani
na and then the worst thing is that this person will always show you like wewe ni wewe munake ri ndungitua ni aikoragwo mundu ungi
and then I feel like to generation nini ariri andu ni mara take time muno kumenya kiria marenda kuma kuri mundu urio
sure like but matirenda gukuruzi in the same sense
mundu ni arakwenda at the same time ndarakwenda nakutaka lakini sikutaki na sitaki kukuona na mtu mwingine
na darenda gukuona ati kuigua ati ona tiga gukuona mundu ungi no vile hado ndo namwira kuri othi alafu gakora atirire we in a generation where people have already given up because we have seen whatever yani nituonete maundu yani we have had a lot of things turia nini muno but the things we've had the things we have seen there are so many itumete riu nginya kariga gwatirire ona ndenda mundu uyu ri ugafeel ndingihota kumwenda correctly ndingihota kumwonia you know plus the I mean nginya rire nginya let me put it nginya economically because we are struggling one nurageria go put your life in order rageria you are juggling between careers, you are juggling between social life, exactly, you are juggling between so many things. So, the moment that decide to get in a relationship, and do you know a relationship is work?
It is.
Do you know the work it takes money kuruga myohindisho the mother ni ukahurira mundu ndenda guthie kundu kuna nginya kariga
eginya gutinda ukienda kumenya mundu ucio atinda atia
ni arire
anga ni arire oru ni okire gukwira
ukariga karuga gicharwa
yothire
but relationships take a lot of work and a lot of patience, a lot of career, a lot of kwenyihia because the moment in your the iguru it will not work. The moment both of you decide that now neigo muraiga hari iguru it will not work. So tajira tirire ni okire wira machine ni okire ni cikuhoreire you have you have a deadline to meet kana ni wagirie gutwara shoria raini yagirie guthitha ici ni thaa ici munene waku ni urahurira mbona sioni nini mbona sina links juu nini then kwenda mundu waku we agani akora ni na mundu gute ugire ati agani akomentire mbica-ini yaku Facebook yabi kukurira mama ikuragia kimothia
tunani anakwambia looking cute hapo FB
Facebook iko na 47 more than 47 million.
I also feel like to generation ine ya rere direnda kurio na hatutaki kusumbuliwa. So because as you have said, relationship is a lot of work. It takes time to build one. Na niye to direnda maundu mau mothe I'm busy. Na sitaki kitu inanikula kichwa.
Ndehoragira kabu mothe ti Friday
weekendi ngamwira yoka buku weekendi tene. Because you know unajua hujui mko wangapi
oya unajua ni aje kesho
hii weekendi aje unaweza patikana
na nitaka mpaka Sunday Monday asubuhi nafaa kuwa nimeenda akakwira come mofanga wira
Osho, by the way, Osho ni mundu utagakuria atiriri mbona hukushika simu, mbona sijui nani like picha yako, mbona uliniambia Joe ni beshte yako na nimeona comment fulani hapo na na hiyo si friendship
na Instagram umeweka mkono ya mtu na huyo mtu sio mimi.
You see, so most people opt for friends with benefits to do arere. You're not answering to anyone.
But have you ever had scenarios of people falling in love with their friends with benefits?
Of course, there's this thing adomogatirere ate marenda kiria itagwate sijui no strings attached. Do you know they do attach eventually? Yes, what they can do at strings don't attach, they do attach.
No, the moment you welcome kule modo, the moment you people touch.
Yeah.
The moment you people sleep
together, game over.
The moment you people decide now to share blankets, how no abagi ya feel? Ugimona na mundu ngina bai kuigwa
no kuri andu matari thamiri-ini yaku
guy ogana mundu mani wana ihura na kiria
there are people you know we are different what we are very different. There's someone who can be okay with that arrangement. Feel we omwendage no wedara kwenda
I think personally I'm the very jealous type. Me I'm jealous and that's why that's why I need those arrangements because I want you to be mine. I want you to own me. I don't want you ati agasijui na kuona leo na mimi kesho uko na bila kesho uko na sijui nani yana kuhoroa bisa na ego kulia kwa sure ilikuwa tu picha ai yeah, I'm a jealous type. Me I know myself.
I think let me try to explain. You see, for me, the situationship I was in, barely at we were seeing other people.
What was preventing you to be together?
Because we felt like yes, we want each other. No, ni turaigwa he kindu gitigaru.
No mene. Mene na wendi wagu ri.
He kindu gitigaru we.
Hey, but did you ever try
like we were dating? No, we didn't.
How is your friendship right now?
Very nice.
No way.
Yes.
Ay, jamani. Hey, guy, mingi morora gwaku akauta niuliza ndakuuliza.
I think ekoragwo ere ginya decision mudu akoragwo mikite decision ya rere like this is what we want, this is this is what you want, this is what I want. So ginya situationship yo igioka guthirare you are okay because you are okay in the beginning with the arrangements and the rules.
Urekora probably I had with the thifitare and you have a doctor, you have a personal doctor, you have a personal lawyer, nurse or something, and a colleague. You fall in love with someone who the relationship was supposed to be platonic.
It was professional.
Yeah, it was supposed to be a professional, but you found yourself falling in love.
Have I? No. Have I? Have I?
Yeah, tell us.
No, I'm asking you, have I ever told you such a thing like, oh, I went somewhere?
But of course, you've crashed on a doctor, like, Sikabaya.
Nah.
Yeah?
Hi. I don't think so.
I wouldn't call her. Call a colleague because Okaga are Korean. I can't do the colleague to do a kiruta wiro ko. What the hell you can get?
I deal it to her.
jana
no jana
jana ucio ri ni okaga muno gwika kiria ni okaga muno gwika voice overs voice overs cia nyitanira nani wa boy wa jao wona cia ndoenga exactly mathauti mau mana kukiria uri mwana kiagio karia mbere ngirwo koja ni ndirikanaga mani I was so new in that career in that setting in that company uri mwana agioka ngiro ndore iratathi ria kiria kuingira kwa no nginya ungingirire na kiria na iratathi ria kuingira lazima ungesainiwa kuma thiini iratathi ria kuria nio onania we ni uraingira ku ti hua
mutaratara
twara ria bengi mukora gate ni ngi mune iratathi joking bitu poa unakaa vizuri leo tini ndirakirwa hello
we are sorry
domination tugikara ria keri agigiuka niki ngitwara iratathi ngikora na die niki ngikora ai
nobe
ngimuna iratathi nginengera rucunja iratathi agikingira aria gatatu ria kana ria gatano ai
mtu wako
mtu wangu bwana miaka iri tatu ai atekana and then people adu mokire kumaka because they didn't expect because one ndari mundu mukiri muno I was so silent because you were not very comfortable with the people around. My knees were not sitting well with them. They know me as a very silent woman. So Mario, guy, now because for him he was so outgoing. He was. Still outgoing.
See,
outgoing muno. So they didn't expect. Me gesa torire na modo tani. Modo.
How I went up promo I think need a clear picture of
did that how I met
you left that important part
and then the girl they expected because ale modo kiri ale modo ni modo waridhako muno
mtu wa watu
so the girl they expected that probably no modo wake mwiretu na dari ko tidwasio I think no demo a colleague. I think that's dating a colleague.
Kinda.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you get platonic turned to to a romantic relationship. Yeah.
Imenisoundia mafuku maria thoma kuria watu pad. My romance. Na meeting point. Imenisoundia hivyo. Personally, for me, I don't think I've seen someone and careered what? Crashed on them. Maybe a doctor must do nini and then took a date.
Me, there was a doctor.
Hey?
There's a doctor. Dikota kugweta thibitari, but he used to near Kagate. I used to go a lot. Yeah, you do a checkups na do. Hey, guy, where be we? And then he used to look me nicely. Daktari usia kurora jamani uko. Nakuanga na mtu.
When we were feeling at some point, do you think when you feel
yeah, probably. When I was sending the signs, yeah, he would send. Meteorologist don't signs. But on ajarageria ugerorire uri ajarageria na akareria the other career you would tell. He's into me and he was so nice. He was good looking and ikonunga wega mani mti yangu. Kigira kwa gakori umerudi. Ni ndaigwa guo mani.
Na tokorwa ari na mtu wake handu.
Tia kugo.
Niguo.
Stop killing my heart.
I'm telling you the truth.
You are killing my heart.
I'm telling you the truth.
Nimenya niki. Nona ado especially ado makona watu wa mathaka akiria. Ado makoma ado very composed tutagiciria mundu ucio no achito because uroraga mundu ucio she has everything from the looks. Is the body, is the what, is the career, is the money. Why did you choose me? Yakiwa negikirete oru kana negihana oru but why are you looking? But I remember most of the men, matiga nagira. There's an enemy that has been trending this week. Yeah, as astronomy. around kamera-inĩ.
No, ndironire ni CEO wa tech company. The CEO of a tech company. Uria ora cheat na head of HR. Sindo. Niko cheat kani atia to.
That's cheating.
Nitoko ndoga go cheat joke. Mutiko dutana beru.
That's cheating. Because what are you doing holding your HR like that? Your wife?
And then she was so shocked and embarrassed.
Niliona anini yake itagwa do release yake itagwa
press,
not press
statement.
Yeah, statement yake akiuga atiriri ati because I think it was a concert, I need magire ku respect privacy ya andu. How am I supposed to respect your privacy? Na nyindo mnashikania kwa nini?
So now he's shifting the blame on our concert.
The cameras, those sitagwa his cameras, ispotaga o mundu othe wina kiria mtu wote you are holding someone suggestively, you're holding them romantically. Icio nicio ciuka gukumurika. You see? Dunakere. I want to guy, I'm trying to understand how that the wife feels when the whole world knows that you actually cheated on your partner. Like, I would really want to know.
I think first of all, for me, if I was the wife, it's embarrassing.
Very.
Taminiona ndingehota guka kuri we ngwire kai wambo because already unanihurumia. Uliona hiyo clip. So it's so embarrassing. Nginya kwagira mundu gitio na kienema.
Exactly. And then the worst thing is that none of the woman is married too and they have kids. Because I really want to know.
Shanisha ni ciana nene.
Ndiye kana ni ciana nene, but according to arata auriare mutumia ni marauga atiriri mena nginya ciana. And then the wife aretete na nginya ritwa ria mwanake ucio ria muthuri mwate muthuri
ucio
ria muthuri ucio kiria Facebook akirikiaga video karekererio arariruta. And you know, in court cases mundu tocio agithi go file for divorce, you see everything that you own as a man when you kumunegera
any,
because one, it is evident we have the
you are the one
who you see and I'm not
and first of all you are the one who cheated.
Imagine, it's so sad. Alafu ndimenyaga, I don't know, auria ndagikoria atiriri andu ni meigaga maguru-ini ma mundu ungi makauga atiriri sitafanya hivi.
Ndakwirire atiriri ni wona andu matiendaga kumenya where you are coming from. Nona hiyo kiria yo,
as long as it's
whatever they are doing at that moment, whatever feeling they are feeling at that moment, they don't care about it. Kuria mwarutanirie, kuria mumete, whether you've built this together. No, as long as the HR is making him happy, agigwiciria niki
na no one ndagika ya mwisho akihikia HR ucio. Na ndimenya niki gitumaga,
of course,
people who get married moka commit the love of their lives. Mekurikia kuhika.
He murata wakwa wajira ngumwita murata reke ndimwitio murata, but alikuwa an employer ati ndake njira atiriri ndukanetikire nie ndiroga ni uru andu makiambia from scratch na watu wao. In fact, if you want to start from scratch, well and good, we will respect that. Now that was according to her own experience. Please do not ever start from scratch with someone. Tondu ni haga kinya handu uyu mundu mwambia nake from scratch. Ari kuona ata mwe business partner, tamwe partners like na ni agathie the mutumia uri atuirendaga.
Yeah, well, I feel.
Yes.
On a no mother shini gukwiraga about someone I know that mutumia wake back, I think ni ndino kwari na getirifo kwari na COVID. Getirifo ine kiu mwanake ndari wira. No the moment anyitire maruo ma wira. Hau no amenyaga tuiretu tweru na tuiru ni turiku. Na no kwiraga kairetu fulani kahana. Hede twina kiria twina twarina arataito tomwikarithite. Tukimuria atiriri. Todo mwiretu uyu ni akugurire irio ndira utari wira. This girl fed you. This girl clothed you. Literally mwiretu niwe wakugurire nguo. Todo ugiuka ona ugithama ugo ndwari onake. Wari ona iretu ehumbite. Mwiretu ni okiri agikugurira nguo. Mwiretu ni oka ni akuhinya family yako nginya mwana ni eka maundu mothe ta mutumia. Why you doing this? Nyakimura I didn't ask for that.
Oh my God.
I didn't ask for that.
That's disrespect.
I didn't ask for that. And have your corona mbeca ciaku nini na yo corona ciaku nini
tucemanie gatagatĩ-inĩ
fact that tuingira haha ni ngakwira atĩrĩrĩ na tũgũre kĩndũ kĩna sawa tukagirira twekere biashara fulani sawa sasa that ni amenya atĩrĩrĩ ndenda kutwenda kugura kĩndũ kĩna rĩ ti atĩ nĩ niwete kana nĩ wejetereire hĩndĩ ciothe because the moment ndakuonia atĩ hĩndĩ ciothe nĩ wetereirwo no bagia nginya ku ngĩkorwo nĩ ndĩrakaheirio kaga gatirĩ
madharau
kũndũ kangĩthiĩ karagĩthiĩ
I have come to notice from stories that people tell tondũ we all have stories ukoraga most men na niĩ ndirĩ na ũru nao they tend to mistreat women arĩa mamarorete igũrũ mũthuri angĩũka kũmenya ndũrĩ handũ ũrathiĩ na nĩwe ũrorete igũrũ na mtegemea kila kitu
alikuwa nginyĩrĩtwo nyũmba
ĩgũkũheria
mani haya ũrĩa Muthingi TV ndarite nĩ ikorwo rĩkĩinĩkĩrĩra tũkorwo tũgĩcemania njũru ĩngĩ tũkorwo tũkĩarĩrĩria maũndũ maingĩ megiĩ hihi maũndũ marĩa magĩtũhutia ithuĩ ta society na makĩria tũtambeũ njĩthĩ tũkorwo tũgĩthiĩ na mbere gũkorwo tũkĩarĩrĩria nginyagia kium kana nginyagia weekend yũkĩte nĩ ngwĩra Ngai wa mũno akwende akũiye na akũrathime nĩgetĩka kairĩtu ka mathako that sports gun mũndũ wĩtwo Wambui wa Njaũ
na niĩ ngetwo Bill Hanya gũthiĩ na mbere na kwĩrorera tabarĩra cia Muthingi TV tucemanie Juma yũkĩte bye bye.